Here I have XIAOMI Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera location tags on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on three stripes here, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can find save location info. But firstly we'll have to grant access to device location to camera, and now we can switch this feature all you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.